The LitezAll 1900 LM tripod work light is a very bright and amazingly flexible light. Let's take a closer look. In the package is the light and a USB-C charging cable. We highly recommend charging the light before first use. Plug the included cable into a USB power source such as a power bank or wall charger. Pull back the port cover and insert the USB-C plug. A 4-step indicator blinks until all lights glow solid blue. A full charge of the 18650 5200 mAh lithium-ion battery takes up to 5.5 hours. The internal battery functions as a power bank to give your smartphone a charging boost. Use your phone's charging cable and insert the large plug into the light and the other end into your phone. Remember that charging a phone reduces the overall runtime of the light. The light measures 10.62 inches high by 3.3 inches wide and 1.43 inches deep, and it weighs in at 0.7 pounds. It's impact resistant to 1 meter and carries an IP65 weather-resistant rating. The LM1900 produces light in 3 color temperatures plus UV, all selectable from a common power button. Natural light is 1900 lumens with a 4-hour runtime and a 50-meter light throw. White light is 1100 lumens with a 5-hour runtime and 40-meter light throw. Warm light is 1000 lumens with a 3.3-hour runtime. 395 UV light has a 17-hour runtime. The light color temperature ranges from 4000 to 6500 K depending on the light mode selected. The work light may be handheld, magnetically attached, hung by its adjustable handle, stood on its integrated tripod, or attached to a standard tripod. The light section swivels and rotates, providing nearly endless light aiming possibilities. The overall flexibility and durability of the LitezAll 1900 LM makes it useful in workshops, job sites, campsites, vehicles, and home projects, and a useful addition to your toolbox.